an omelet so that we can DoorDash this man some coffee so that he can
Would you like some bustelos?
on
Oh
our
yeah,
food.
definitely, definitely. Give me some of that Bustelo. Yeah. How y'all doing this morning? I'm hungry, y'all. I'm hungry right now. Right now. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Feed me,
We
Simo.
don't want you hangry.
I'm only gonna be
I'm
hungry
hungry now.
if y'all do not participate. Now that's what it is right there.
I told
Participation.
him this morning it's a two-way street.
You know what?
Give and take. I got to
What that supposed to mean? What that supposed to mean, LA? Huh? Huh?
Well, it goes both ways. We're giving out tips and they have to take the tips and they have to let us know that they
Mm-mm.
received them.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. We ain't doing that right there. We ain't doing that right there. See, that's where you wrong. That's where you messed up. See, you're tripping now. You're tripping. Uh-huh. Hold on now. Hold on. I'm coming now. Hold on. I'm right there.
Dr.
Hold
Oshima
on.
in chat for the pit master. Let's go ahead and give him an official greeting and welcome. Thank you so much for being here with us. With
Good morning,
all the
Pitmaster.
traders and getting them set up. I am gonna hop on just because Aurora's came up. Y'all know I love Aurora's. I'm gonna hop on Aurora's. I'm gonna get them some gold zones where they
I
can
was
go
actually
trade.
on there this morning.
You said who?
I was on there this morning checking things out.
Yes, that thing pays. Guys, go ahead and let some people know in the chat that we are ready. Hour two, you should have cleared. In hour one, you should have cleared at least one trade. Because I'm live, I will not say I'm getting in the trade. You hear the big say ordeal, right? So you know what to do. You have to follow the strategy. All right. You have to follow the strategy. And my goal, I really want you guys making sure that you are mapping it out. You need to write it down. How many sessions are you going to trade? What time are you going to trade? How much are you going to make a session? What is your total for the day? I'll write that out for you just in case you forget and put it in the chat. But you have to have a clear plan. You're not just going to bust 3K, right? Like, no, you have to be intentional. And why do I want you to be intentional? Because I want you to bust 3K every week. Every week, I want you to clear. Every week, I want you to clear. This is your job. Every week, your job is to make $3,000, right? And then you know what? After you make your first $3,000 every week, you can make $1,000, and then you can go up from there. So let's clear that first 3K, please. All right. Did y'all show the pitmaster some love so he can get amped? I told you I had y'all morning song, and pitmaster J Cat was I think it was called 300 Batman. I liked that. That
Good
was
morning, Pitmaster.
Good
are you coming
morning.
up on your live stream?
Good morning. Yes, I am. I'm on my live stream and I don't have my green screen. So pardon me if once you guys see me, I don't look like Brett Talker's talking about because my green screen is in the closet. I'm not going to get it right now. So leave me alone. All right, you bet. All right. So LA was correct. It's buy up thing. I'm agreeing with her on that. And as we look at the charts, we see there's a doji and that doji needs her wrist covered. So I'm looking for the covering of the wrist, and all the way to the white line is where I believe gold is going to shoot to. So I'm getting my finger ready because we got two flats. It's about to start the third flat for the series. When I look over here, I see a plus up underneath, and when I look up here, I see a solid blue triangle, but I do see a blue dot. So, waiting for the blue dot to go away, so we don't have any dots. But at least I believe a flat bottom will appear, and if it doesn't, just chill. Okay, because you don't trade on the double wick candles and all of those things. It's cool, be cool, lay back in the shade, drink a glass of lemonade. All right. So 30, believe 30 is going to complete an arch. So I have some alerts set up to let me know when 30 is coming downtown, right? And then we'll be cool with 30. Uh, NAS. I know there's some NAS people on the call. Boo, boo, boo. So any NAS people on the call so I can look at NAS for you as well. I will look at it for you. Any any NASers?
Yes, sir.
What do you think NAS is going to do since you're a NASer?
I do believe Nas is due for a waterfall. I'm gonna try to pull it up. Oh, honestly, at this moment, I don't know if the news. I'm letting it settle.
All right, cool, man. Well, really not cool because you know that wasn't a real answer, and you know that was a safe answer. You're being safe, and I can see it a mile away. Look what EJ did, by the way, guys. EJ dropped to the floor, to the floor. My gosh, it's going right there to the 800 EMA, and that's his destination right there. I do believe is going to get there. So if you're an EJ person, um, you can we're looking for EJ to sell right there. Um, I'm waiting on the stock market to open at 9:30 so I can see if uh, Chipotle is ready for this buy. It did hit my low at 56.93, as you can see. I had it marked already, and I do have another low for Chipotle down at 52.26. But let's see what happens. Then I'll get into Chipotle as a buy. Great stock, by the way. Great stock. It was $3,451 before the split, and now it's at $58. Man, this is awesome. Think about this. It was at $58 once before, and if it goes back to 3,000, you'd be rich. Rich. My gosh, awesome. Um, so yeah, uh, looking at US 30. Uh, well, if it pushes north of this wick, it will go further north. If it pulls back and goes under this red line, then I'm looking for it to sail down through the fingers. Okay. All right. Now let me move my alert down. I need to know if it's going higher or
And
lower.
make sure that you're not getting paid and we're not getting paid. Let's get paid at the same time. I have my
Well,
gold
well,
pending
that's
order for
gold.
people.
Well, excuse me, ma'am, but I don't understand what you're talking about. I'm not
I don't
doing
you know how
anything.
like when your system is going order field, and we're like,
That,
what in the what?
well, well, excuse me, ma'am, but I'm live also, and I'm just saying, okay.
We're gonna yeah,
All
yeah.
right, so here we go. Look, it's about to happen right here.
All
All
right,
right.
what's that sale? Hey guys, I'm giving you 93.5 to 92.5 on the sale down. That is a zone. 93.5 to 92.5 is a zone.
The zone. All right. So she gave a zone. Now, as I look at the tools, TOWOLS, tool, um, I'm seeing some things here. Now, there's the top of the box area, 24.29, way up there. The halfway point is going to be 11 roughly. Okay, 11. So it's like 10 and some change. If you really want to be like on it, it's like about, yeah, right, somewhere in there. Okay, that's the halfway point. I do believe gold will go to the halfway point. So let me mark that over here. I already have it. Nope, I took the alert off. So it's about right here. So this is where I'm looking for gold to go, but it needs to give me some type of indicator that it's going to buy and not sell. Now, we do have a unique shape. Could anybody tell me what this unique shape is right here? My gosh. Anybody? Um, anyone? I'll wait.
The St. Louis Arch.
Thank you for claiming my city. Thank you so very much. Yes. So if gold, see, because this is my dilemma. Now, it came out of the box only once out of the top, only once. Normally it does it two or three times, then it goes the whole distance. But it was in a tear. And part two of that is tomorrow, guys. Oh, let's look at this real quick too. Almost forgot. Gold is green. Okay. And Forex Factory. Let's look at that real quick. And I believe we got more news tomorrow. So today we had core CPI, no more bigger news. The 30-year bond auction is at 101, but tomorrow we got the PPI report. So um, let's do an analysis from the day chart and let's see where we're going. Oh wow! So the St. Louis Arch is hmm, no. I believe we're going to get a reverse arch here, a U off the day chart, all the way up to 24.49 again, quite possibly, or at least to 24.28. So um, let me look at this again. Wow. Or we have a beautiful head and shoulders forming. So it's one or the other, one or the other. Because we do have the shoulders made here. See that? Y'all don't see it. Okay, no problem. So if I draw, golly, Moses, no. Cozy. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, hold on one second. Um, XAU USD. I'm gonna go way down here to 8 cap. Golly, I drew on that one too. Okay. XAU USD. I'll go to icy market. Okay, good. Now, day chart. Okay, one more time. Illustration, real big head and shoulders is not as, oh, wait, wait, wait. That's not a head and shoulders. That is XABC pattern. ABC. Here we go. Head and shoulders. Let's see. Nope, it's not a head and shoulders. You know why? The left shoulder is that higher than? Let me see. Let me get rid of this real quick. Oh, it is a head and shoulders. Okay, it is. It is a head and shoulders. I thought this shoulder was higher at first. So we got one, two, three, four, five. If this goes higher, it stays here. We're good. Six, and then seven to be down through the fingers. That's perfect. Oh wow. So hold on. So it may very well come down. Let me see. All right, let me go back to my chart. It did come down some. All right. So we may get this whole shake, guys. We may get this whole shake. It looks like it wants to give us a little something. No series started, but I do have that doji. And let me look at the time. 9:17. It's okay. So it's in a both way movement. Look at the 1 hour. We got a strong flat bottom on the 1 hour. Um, but that arch is smiling at me, man. I can't not see it. So I'm going with I'm about to sell this thing, man, just for at least a point or so. Let's see. Uh, let's see if I can get at least a point off here. Let's see. I may get a point out of it if it stays a flat top. If it doesn't, I'm not getting no point. But um, it does have a good momentum for a little bit of sale at least. I'm going to call it to the doji here. Alert there. So I'm curious. I normally won't sell against uh, all the other signals, but look, there's a cross, man. There is a cross, and so let's see if it honors the cross in full or if it's a partial. All right. Now, if that stays a flat top, which it ain't, um, even if it turns as a red candle, it will at least come down to the 50, if nothing else. That's what I'm looking for it to do. But it's in a zone, it's in a consolidation area. You probably can see this right here. Hold on. Probably can see. Where's my? Oh, okay, here we go. So if you notice, price is staying here. Okay, price is in the box. So I'll be patient a little bit and wait. But I got my risk management set up also. So if it shall turn completely against me, you'll hear it say order field, and that means that I took a L. Yep, and there it is. So it turned against me on
Order
that one.
field.
No biggie. You guys have seen me so many times uh, get it right back. So I'll wait for a series. That was my bad. But I do see that arch, man. That arch is serious. Arch is very serious. Only dilemma I have with this whole picture is I've seen it buy up and consolidate, come down like see how it came down in the art side, but it didn't go anywhere here. It'll do that to buy up again, like it did back here. Oh, where we at? Golly, that far back? Whoa, good. Okay, back here. Yeah, that's too far back, but that's what it did over here. It did the same thing. Ah, man, it's taking too long to get to it though. But see how they buy up and then do like this little, like this one's not a big dip, but look at it on the RSI. It looks like it really dipped, kind of consolidated, then rolled across that red line. Then it just kept going up, never came back. Golly Moses. So I'm looking for it to, let's see, if I can get a series out the deal, if we can get a series, then I'm definitely going to we'll catch the series. Yeah, we'll catch the series. 1, 2, and it's still in the box. So let's see if it pops out of the box, opens and closes, and all that good stuff. There's the doji though. It did go back for the lady in the dress here. There's another one at the top. So I think I'll just trade this in Forex rarely because I can catch it up and down. I don't like playing back and forth in my futures, but I will do it in my Forex account because I can just take a point, boom, boom, and keep it moving. Hold on. Hold up. Okay. Okay. All right. Uh, hold on. Let me see who we got this morning. Excuse me. Ambassador Angela Pipersburg. Nice. All right. Good morning. Tanya, Shireen, Yvette, Ty, Tierra, the Bread Talker. Let's see. Tanya, let's see, Sharita, Pam, Merlan, Mr. Enterprise, Mike, Lorna, La Chelsea, Kim, Jake, Jay Littlejohn, Izzy, Dana, Brandon, what's up, Antonio, Ahmed, and of course, Dr. L.A. Payne. Yep, here it comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're starting a series. Hmm, the series is beginning. So the fourth candle did pass. We got room in RSI. I'm predicting the fifth candle to be a flat bottom. and but I need it out of the box. So one, two, three, four. Yeah, we got four. Looks like a fit could appear. Yeah, we got another cross there. We got no dots, so that's a good sign. And we got solid blues. Okay, one, two, three. There's the fifth one. That's the fifth one. Let's get that pull back. All right, let's see.
Order filled.
All right, just waiting to see if it's going to hit this line, which is the halfway point of the Monday box area. Let me look at that real quick. Yeah, the blue line right here. So let's see if we're going to get a blue line hitter. Blue line hitter. Oh, blue line. Oh, blue line. Let's see if we get a blue line hitter today. There's a series right there because that's the sixth candle. And it hit the blue line. And I got paid.
Order filled.
Bam. Who hit?
Cleared. Good
Got
morning,
cleared.
class.
Morning. 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 Morning.
Oh my goodness, first trade of the day and I cleared.
Amen, brother.
Hello.
Amen. Now we needed to go above this. All right, let me stop clowning and get real. All right, so now I need to go above this blue line right here. Open and close above that blue line. Let me go here. Let's look at that area right here. Okay, let me drop. Actually, I can't drop. I won't drop a line on here. I'm trying to drop lines on my chart. So what I'm gonna do is we need to push to the white line. So we got a series, guys. Y'all know how I feel about my series. Um, looks like it might be another flat bottom coming. Yep. Let's see if we get a pusher. Let's see if we get some pullback. Waiting on looks good for another push up though. It looks good for another push up. Just waiting. Let's see if we can get a snipe here in a minute. Let's see what we got. Let's go here real quick. 9:26. Oh, the opening bill is in 4 minutes, y'all. So the next candle. So if this one passes this candle, then we know we're good to continue in our series. Let me look at the 15 real quick. Oh wow, that's a beautiful candle. 3 minutes left on that 15-minute candle though. So let's see. And if it follows my theory of going all the way up to 24 or whatever I gave you guys earlier, then you know what time it is. Notice how we did not jump in that particular one right there because it did not pass that left wick. I don't like it when it doesn't pass it because that's my indicator that the series has ended for a temporary movement. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven flat bottom candles in a row. Okay, that's a series. And it looks like an eight that stays a flat, but I think it might double wick. Let me look at that real quick. Oh, wait a minute. That might be the eight. If that one goes green and passes this wick, and the next one, then the next candle after that should be another flat bottom for the ninth candle. And that'll be like a completed series. All right, we got 10 seconds. Let's see what's going to happen. And even if that one doesn't, if the next candle that comes out is a flat bottom, it should pass all of those. Don't look like it's going to. Let me see. What's that? Looks like it wants to double wick. Looks like it wants to double wick possibly to end the series. Yep, there's the double wick. Okay, good move, guys. Good move. Good move. Notice you did not hear order fill. All right. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, good. But that is a don't need the hyper either. All right, notice what did I say I needed to do? Talk to me.
Break above your blue line.
And what did it not do? So we leaving it alone. We're waiting. Doesn't mean it's going to sell. It just means it didn't break yet because that's the halfway point. Notice how I mark certain things. I want y'all to pay attention to the things I do now. Notice how I mark the halfway point to the money box. Why did I do that? Anybody talk to me? Why did I mark the halfway point? Huh? That's a good one. I like that. Yeah, it's kind of like a tester because through analysis, I noticed that once it goes half the distance of the money box, it breaks. It takes a chill pill or it reverses fully and comes back to the money box. So that same up, it can go right back down all the way to 2391. Now, LA gave you a 96 to 95, I believe is what it was, or 95 to 94, one of the two. Well, the reason being, we have a nice thing forming here called my arch. And what did it do? All right, let's talk. It gave me a double wick candle. Y'all already know my philosophy on that. Huh? What was that? What was that? What's the name? Oh, Bell. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let me look at US 30. All right, gold is going to break. All right, so we might get a series down now. Hold tight. If US 30 pulls back here, US 30 is coming back to these fingers. Let me set an alert right here. And then we can catch a sell on the Dow Jones on your other account. Get ready for the sell on the Dow Jones. The entry is going to be 39,730. Your exit is going to be 700. There we go. There's the break. And I'm going to set the alert for the bottom, which is 685. 685. That's the bottom. I'm not even going to look at it. Why? Because it's a four finger setup, player. I don't even want to look at it. So we'll wait for US 30 to do his job. You NAS people, here we go. Okay, boring. Anyway, NAS is going to drop. Let's look at 5. NAS is going to drop so you can take a sell on NAS possibly to 20,640. 642. Got an alert there. Okay, got an alert there. Okay, good. So that would be 660 to 670 to 640. 670 to 640 for NAS people. I got you a double alert set. US 30 is coming on down. You should be about to hit on US 30 for your 30 points already off the flip. Don't even play with Chef. I ain't even got time. It's actually 40 points if you got in what I told you to get in, boo boo. All right. So let's see. And then go. There's the series starting 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if we get a fourth. Let's see if we get a fourth and get below the 50. Then we're gonna roll with a sale on gold at the bell, baby. And we are how many minutes in? 1, 2 minutes in. Okay, awesome. Now we got a lady. I told you that we got to get to this lady down here, 23.99. Okay, we got to get to her. So let's do a compound at 03 to 01. Will be a compound. I'm about to sell her 1, 2, 3, 4. If we get below that 50, give me that 50 candle, and it's a flat top. I am in there like swimwear. Okay, in there like swimwear. Let's get below there. 14 cents. Get below the 50 fully. All the way below. Don't play me. Don't play me because it can bounce off of that 50. See. So hold tight. Hold tight. Hold tight. Put it in the shack and put it in the deck. All right. Let's see if we get a flat top. Get below the 50 and get below the wick, and I'm in. Get below the 50. Come on. Come on. Come on, Fit Candle. Be a series. Be serious. Oh, come on. Popcorn and peanuts. Come on, buddy. Looking for this to be a series, guys. If it's a series, y'all know what time it is. Ooh, patience is a virtue, baby, on that 50. Ain't that something? Huh? Did I not say that, y'all? What do we need it to do? Talk to me. What do we need it to do?
Go past that 50 EMA.
And what did it not do?
It did not go past the
And what did
39.
it do? And what did it do?
Ricochet Rabbit.
Okay, ricochet rabbit. Sure, bing, bing. All right, so I'm looking now. Let's see where we at. All right. Okay, look. So, wow. Oh, wait. What's all the alerts going on? US 30. Who hit? Who hit on 30? Oh, yeah, baby. Who hit on US 30? Come on, people. Who hit? Talk to the boy.
I hit on 30.
Thank you. All right. The next one is going to be the next take profit is 39,657 right there. 39. So you're going to do 657. So you're going to do 687 to 57. 87 to 57. I do believe US 30 is going to drop all the way down here, guys, to 39,499. That's my belief, and I'm sticking to it. It's set up on all charts for a sale, FYI. And let's confirm some stuff. Industry, industry. 30. Well. What did the banks come in for on US 30? Ah,
And for that sale,
baby, baby, do you hear me? Watch this here. 15. Okay. Once this sucker turns, how much time? 9 minutes. We got 9 minutes on this camera. Let's see what happens. If the next one, so because this, I like when it's red wrapped around blue. That's a sale typically. Red in the middle is typically buy. Blue in the middle is typically sell, and then we normally will get a red candle following that. So let's see what happens if the banks did come in for a sale on US 30. Let me look at NAS for you also. Banks came in for a sale on NAS as well. So we'll wait. I already gave you numbers for NAS. All right, so let's go back. US 30, let me go to one. All right, so you should be in very, very good profit on US 30. I gave you, oh my gosh, y'all about to hit for another 30. I gave you six something to six. I gave you 680 something to 650 something. I gave you. Whatever it is, when that alert go off, you'd have made another 30. Now, what we waiting on? I don't believe gold is I don't believe gold is going to buy more right now. I think it's going to sell after it passes this 50. We in. That's the first flat top after a doji. But of course, we're waiting for it to do what? Talk to me. What are we really waiting for it to do? Who hit on US 30?
hit
What am I waiting on gold to do? Talk to me quickly, people.
to start that series.
No, not that's one.
Break
But
under the 50. EMA.
yes, get
Pass
under
that
that, baby.
baby.
I need it under it. I need it under it. So even if this right here gets under the 50, that means the next candle should open under the 50, which gives us an entry point. Entry point. Right aboard. What movie?
Wait, man, what?
He said, I'm here
I
to
think he
celebrate.
walked away.
Right
You just
aboard.
walked away from the screen. You
Brown
didn't see
sugar.
that.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. You know? Somebody be watching the movies with a kid. Oh, all right. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. Let me see where these people at over here on the live side. All right, well, live people, guess what? Over there, I done had enough of y'all. Love y'all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Holla at your boy.